Is something huge about to happen with Bitcoin? Here's what you need to know. Have you ever wondered what could happen in the near future to Bitcoin and the entire cryptocurrency market? If so, you are in the right place. In this video, I will provide you with an in-depth analysis on some key indicators that suggest a significant move is coming. But what is really going on behind the scenes? What are the signs to watch for? Let's find out together. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel dedicated to the world of cryptocurrencies. Here you will find market updates, project reviews and advice to help you make informed decisions in the world of cryptocurrencies. I invite you to follow me on the channel to always be updated. Before we delve into the technical details, it is important to understand the context in which we find ourselves. At the moment, Bitcoin is going through a phase of relative stability, with a slight increase of 0.59% in the last 24 hours, and a stable dominance at 56.26%. This may seem like a sign of calm, but often behind the calm there are imminent movements. In fact, Bitcoin's dominance, which currently stands at around 56%, is a crucial figure to monitor, especially when compared to the trend of the last year. A year ago, in June 2023, the dominance was at 48.27%, which indicates a significant increase of almost 10% over the year. This increase suggests that Bitcoin is consolidating its position against other cryptocurrencies, a trend that could herald major movements. Let's now move on to Ethereum dominance, which is currently at 14.54%, with a price of around $2,502, up 1.6%. While this may seem like a modest increase, it is important to consider this in the context of the broader altcoin market. Altcoins have shown some weakness, with the overall cryptocurrency market cap growing by just 0.88%. This could indicate that investors are moving their capital towards safer assets like Bitcoin, waiting for greater clarity on the market's next moves. Looking at the situation from a broader perspective, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index is currently at 46.45, which reflects a certain neutrality in the market. However, considering that we are only a few percent away from the all-time highs, this neutrality could be misleading. Indeed, if Bitcoin fails to break above the critical $62,000 level, we could see a test of the support around $58,000, which could break the bullish structure built since November 5. Another element to consider is the behavior of long-term holders, i.e., investors who hold Bitcoin for extended periods. Recently, we have observed an increase in transactions to centralized exchanges, which could be a signal of imminent selling. Historically, when this indicator has reached such low levels, we have seen significant price movements, both upwards and downwards. From 2014 to today, every time the indicator has touched 0.6%, the price of Bitcoin has undergone significant changes. In 8 cases, we have seen an increase, while in 4 cases there has been a decrease. Looking deeper, we can compare the current situation with the halving cycle of 2014 to 2016. At that time, Bitcoin went through a parabolic growth phase, peaking in 2017 to 2018. However, when the market entered a bear market phase, the highs were followed by a prolonged distribution phase downwards. This type of pattern could repeat itself, especially given the current global economic uncertainty and geopolitical tensions, such as the conflict between Russia and Ukraine. In this regard, it is also worth mentioning the role of institutions. The interest of large institutions, such as BlackRock, in financial products linked to Bitcoin, such as ETFs, is a factor that could significantly influence the market. However, we must also consider recent political developments in the United States, such as Vice President Kamala Harris's proposed tax increases. These changes could negatively impact U.S. investors, increasing selling pressure and negatively impacting the price of Bitcoin. Another indicator to keep an eye on is the Bitcoin Exchange Liquidation Mat, which gives us an overview of the liquidations of long and short positions. Currently, we are in a phase of equilibrium, but if the price were to reach $68,000, we could see a significant liquidation of short positions, equal to approximately $6.12 billion. This could trigger a bullish move, but only if the market manages to break above this critical threshold. Finally, we cannot ignore the recent movements of large wallets. Since August 29, we have observed a transfer of about 23,000 Bitcoin, coming from wallets that had been holding them for a week to a month. This type of movement could indicate an increase in selling pressure in the coming hours, especially considering that many of these Bitcoins could be destined for exchanges for sale. The current situation in the cryptocurrency market is extremely complex and uncertain. While some indicators suggest a possible upside, others point to a potential downside. It will be crucial to carefully monitor the price action in the coming weeks and prepare for different possibilities. With that said, thanks for following us this far. Don't waste your next crypto flight. Thanks for being with us. If you want to stay updated on the latest news in the crypto world and not waste a crypto adventure, hit that follow button and activate the bell. Ready to go? Then see you in the next video.